Hi everyone, Victoria from Credit Fix Solutions with another great client success story. This time it's client ID 7902. Now this client came on board with a $3,390 default, came on board 9th of January 2025. And on the 30th of January 2025, we managed to get them the cleared report. So that's just 21 days, which is a fantastic result. And the score went up from 472 to 709. So great score, great result. With us, there's nothing to pay unless we can get things removed from your credit file. If you're having problems getting finance approved, if you're a broker and you've got a client with a poor credit score, please get in touch for free assessments. Myself and the assessments team are happy to spend as much time as you need to see what we can do to help fix up a credit report. There might even be some things that we can offer to you as DIY options. Get in touch with the team, send us an email, sales@creditfixsolutions.com.au. Thanks for listening.